Hey guys, it's Pencil Boy here, and today I'll be teaching you how to make a stencil out of a photo. Hope you enjoy. One of the first things you're going to have to do is take a photo. When taking the photo, you got to make sure you've got plenty of light. Once you're happy with your photo, go ahead and edit it. When it comes to editing, you can play around with the light, the color, and even filters. Your goal is to define every color. For the stencil, I'm doing a 3-layered stencil, so I'm going to be using black, white, and grey. So I'm really trying to define those colours to make it easier to cut out. Once you're happy with your photo, save it and send it to yourself. Next, print out one copy for each colour and an extra one for a plan. Oh, and whatever you're going to make the stencil out of. For example, I'm making it out of laminated sheets, but you can make it out of cardboard if you want. Next, put each colour in the laminated pockets. If you're using cardboard, just glue it onto some cardboard. After that, tape it down so it doesn't move. If you're using cardboard, you don't need to worry about this step. After you've done that, label each sheet with its colour. Next step is the plan. The idea with the plan is to work out where the colours are going. What's going to be white, what's going to be grey, and what's going to be black. So here I'm just using a black Sharpie to mark out all the black and grey spots. Of course, the plan is optional. If you know what you're doing, go ahead and do it. Once you've finished the plan, you can start cutting out the colours. I start with the lightest colour first and end with the darkest. For the white layer, it is the first layer that goes down, so you can cut the whole shape out. This also acts as a base colour, so if you had a bright background, the grey and the black would still stand out. Now for the grey, the second lightest colour. For the grey layer, I cut everything out but the white. And now for the black. For the black layer, cut out the bits that you only want black. And there we go, the black is finished. Now that we have completed cutting out all 3 layers, we can start taking the tape off and cutting the back off. Now we are ready for spray painting. And there we go guys, that's how you make a stencil out of a photo. I hope you enjoyed this video. I definitely enjoyed making it. If so, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. See ya.